Measuring 39 by 43 feet, this architectural concept shows how thoughtful materials elevate a modern facade. The exterior's appeal stems from the crisp contrast between smooth white walls and a prominent dark metal pitched roof, adding dynamic volume and elegant lines. Warm vertical timber cladding strategically softens these geometric shapes, creating a perfectly balanced exterior that is strikingly contemporary yet deeply inviting. Inside, the home embraces a soothing, earthy color palette designed to evoke a sense of tranquil, modern tropical living. The spaces rely on a harmonious foundation of crisp white walls and cool gray concrete elements, which beautifully offset the natural warmth of the extensive wood cabinetry and shelving. Soft beige textiles, woven rattan accents, and vibrant indoor greenery complete this harmonious chromatic scheme, creating an airy, light-filled environment that feels inherently relaxing and grounded. House 2. Set across 38 by 44 feet, this architectural concept boasts a striking facade defined by the sophisticated pairing of robust dark gray brickwork and warm horizontal timber siding. The exterior's beauty is further enhanced by a sleek dark metal pitched roof and contrasting crisp white stucco accents at the entrance, creating a grounded yet highly contemporary aesthetic. Transitioning from the striking facade, the interior is thoughtfully organized to maximize everyday utility without sacrificing comfort. The internal layout is meticulously arranged to balance open, shared gathering spaces with highly specialized functional zones. A spacious, open-plan living and kitchen area serves as the heart of the home, effortlessly connecting to highly practical utility spaces like an expansive walk-in pantry and a dedicated laundry room. Meanwhile, the private quarters allocate generous square footage to a serene bedroom suite and a spa-inspired bathroom, ensuring a perfect harmony between daily practicality and restful seclusion.